In this short and simple video, I would like to show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this Nokia G22. So to start, we will need to download and install the free third-party app called Caffeine. So let me quickly do that. Once the app is ready, you will obviously need to launch it. And in here, make sure that the timeout parameter was set to be at the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally or purposely close it, your screen will not automatically turn itself off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.